A concert featuring ancient China's Tang Dynasty poems was held in Philadelphia, U.S. state of Pennsylvania on Friday night to celebrate the upcoming Chinese Lunar New Year. Entitled Echoes of Ancient Tang Poems, the 1.5-hour-long concert attracted more than 2,000 audience and brought the Tang Dynasty to life with 15 ancient poems reinterpreted by young international composers. The concert, presented jointly by Suzhou International Young Artist Festival and the Philadelphia Orchestra, was also held to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the orchestra's historic 1973 tour of China.
The first time I had heard Mandarin sung like that, so it was really a beautiful night. The poetry was beautiful, the singing was beautiful, and the orchestra was fantastic. So it was a great night.
I love Eastern music, and I love seeing the sound, the different sounds, and coupled with the singing, the beautiful singers and the opera singers was just marvelous. So it was a wonderful experience.
I just love the sound of Chinese music, the Asian music. I like the combinations, having more of the bells, the chimes, using that more. I have been to China once, and I just love the history of the ancient China.